Hello everyone, in this video we are talking about the historical gates of Mandu. There are 14 gates around Mandu which are Alamgir Gate, Bhangi Gate, Kamani Gate, Gadi Gate, Dilhi Gate, Hathipol Gate, Bhagwania Gate, Jahangir Gate, Gate at Lohani Caves, Rampol Gate, Tarapur Gate, Satso Sidi, Songad Gate and Tripolia Gate. Alamgir Gate is the first gate which arrives over the Dhar-Mandu road. The gate was rebuilt during the rule of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. The design of gate is quite simple. The next gate on the Dhar-Mandu road is Bhangi Gate. The gate was named in the memory of a sweeper who purposely sacrificed for the region. After the Bhangi Gate, the ramp of the famous Dilhi Gate arrives. Kamani Gate. As we move ahead on the Mortable Road from Bhangi Gate, there is another gate appears on the left. There is no documented name for this gate, but this could be Khirki Gate mentioned by Yazdani in his book. Dilhi Gate. Dilhi Gate is a must-visit place of Mandu. Dilhi Darwaza was the main entrance of Mandu from the northern side. The gate includes 60 broad steps, some gigantic arches, and one big hall near it. And the decoration on the gate shows its importance. Hathipol Gate. This gate was created by the order of Mughal Emperor Jahangir sometimes in the early 17th century, designed to be the entrance into the royal enclaves. This gate named due to the two colossal elephants on the gate. Songad Gate. The gateway is actually the entrance to Songad, the emergency citadel of Mandu. The current structure has been rebuilt very recently by Marathas. Inside Songad, there are many structures belonging to the Parmar dynasty. Tarapur Gate. Tarapur Gate stands at the southwest side of Mandu. The whole structure consists three gates and broad path which connects gates. The view of valley from Tarapur Gate was awesome, especially during sunrise. Sunrise is the best time for visit Tarapur Gate. The gate was modified in the region of Humayun and Akbar. Bhagwania Gate include two gates connected with a passage, and also there are two rooms for guards, one on first floor and another on ground. The gate can be reached by only trekking nowadays. But the gate was most beautiful gate after Dilhi, Jahangir and Tarapur Gate. Jahangir Gate. This gate is situated on the eastern frontier of Mandu. This gate was created largely from extant remains of Hindu temples. Same as Bhagwania and Tarapur Gate, the passage walls are being constructed with dry masonry.